Hi boys and girls, happy St. Patrick's Day. Today we're going to read a book called How to Catch a Leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace, pictures by Andy Elgerton. How to Catch a Leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace, pictures by Andy Elgerton. Night sky is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tapped my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair. And when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap. But yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. House number 1. I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house. I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too speedy for your trap. This tea is mine for free. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap. From the ceiling to the floor. Nice try, indeed. But soon enough, I'll stroll right out the door. The leprechaun begone 3000 gave me quite a scare. But without a 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible. That's a fact. Unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. But who will that child be? Better luck next year. The end. Okay, so now that we read our story, what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and a pencil, okay? And then I want you to think about what kind of trap would catch a leprechaun. Okay, so I want you to think about it. Think. What kind of trap would catch a leprechaun? Once you have that idea in your head, I want you to draw it out. Okay, you're going to illustrate it. You're going to draw it out. And then I have a sentence starter here. So that way at the bottom of your illustration, you're going to write a sentence or two in how you caught that leprechaun. Okay, so it says right here, I would catch a leprechaun by, and then you're going to fill in here how you caught that leprechaun. Okay, now remember, when writing a sentence, every sentence ends with a, that's right, a punctuation. Good job. Okay, now once you're done illustrating and you composed your sentence or two, what I need you to do is grab a parent or guardian and ask them if they can take a picture of your work, and then have them post it in the comments of this video, or also they can message through ClassDojo or post it on your profile on ClassDojo. Now, if they do that, you can get one Bobcat Buck, and that's not all, one Bobcat Buck and 2 ClassDojo points. Okay, so hopefully I will be able to see all those awesome ideas in how to catch a leprechaun. I'm so looking forward to it, and I will see you later at the next Read Aloud. Bye. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy Patrick's Day.